Sanibona nonke enibuka le video esenza electrostatics la. Electrostatics sizoyenza namhlanje i-question yakhona le. Ama-question kakhulukazi nje engiwenzayo la. Then ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi iwona kakhulu kumele kubalulekile ukuthi u-understand ukuthi abuzwa kanjani. La bathi there are 2-point charges, charge S, charge P and S are placed at a distance of 0.1 apart. Yabo? 0.1 apart. Now ikahle kahle diagram yethu. U-P and S, i-distance between bona 0.1 meters apart, okay? Apart kwabo. Bese bethi the charge of P is 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 9. 1.5 times 10 to the power negative 9 coulombs. Yabo? And that of S is negative 2 times 10 to the power negative 9 coulomb. Now, yabo? Negative and positive. In-like charges zenza njani-ke? Aya-attract angithi, they attract each other. Kunjalo. Sibuye siqhubeke i-statement sabo sithi at that point charge R with unknown positive charge. Unknown positive charge, yabo? Bathi kunenye i-charge futhi lapha eku-R, yabo? Elapha ku-point R, elapha ku-R. Inani yona ine-charge esinayazi, uyabona? Shuthi i-charge yakhona siyazi, kodwa siyazi ukuthi njani i-positive, i-sign yakhona yaleyo charge leyo, yabo? Basho njalo, positive charge is placed 0.2 meters to the right of charge S. But most are from charge S uya kuye 0.2 meters, yabo? As shown in the diagram, 9 diagram yazivezela 0.2 between S and R. Base bethi 8.1 states Coulomb's law in weight. Coulomb's law umstate ngani Coulomb's law? Umstate ngale formula. F mele electrostatic force. Uthi electrostatic force is directly proportional to the product yama charges and inversely proportional to the distance squared between them, not between their centers. We state kanjalo. Mase 8.2 it's draw a force diagram. A force diagram showing electrostatic forces acting on R due to P and S. Yebo, sidoba ini force diagram cishe kufana nani ne-free body diagram ukuthi represent objects as the dot, yabo? Bathi actor kubani? Actor ku-R. Usiyobheka u-R. R wethu. Okay, u-R wethu lo. Esithi u-R. Yeah, ungayenza kanje. Kodwa nje kumele ungaqhamisi ukuthi wenzilo i-dot, like kumele kube R force diagram kanje. Then usiyobheka ngoba bethi force diagram due to R ngenxa yokuthi khona u-P and S. Basibuza ukuthi wenza njani, wena uyenza kanjani force diagram? Uchecka yena lo R ukuthi ngoba bethe acting on R, uya ku-R uyombheka i-sign yakho ukuthi u-positive, ubheka yena ukuthi ubehave kanjani uma umqhathanisa no-S. Uzokwenza njani uma umqhathanisa no-S? Ubheka yena, uhlezi uqala kuye. Wenza njani yena? Ubuza ngaye. Uya ku-S uma umqhathanisa because ama-charge positive and negative. Shuthi uzo-experience electrostatic force eyale, eyakwabani? Eyakwa-left. Yini leyo siyibiza nge-electrostatic force between ubani? R and u-S, yabo? R and S. Ubuye futhi uyombheka futhi u-R ukuthi wenza njani kubani? Ku-P, umqhathanise no-P. U-positive and positive charge. Wenza njani u-R? Yabo ukuthi ubheka u-R kuphela ngoba kuthiwa acting on R. U-R wenza njani? Since ama-unlike charges azofuna ukurepela ngithi. Shuthi yena uzoya le, ubheka yena, then i-force uyitshengisa ngayo. Shuthi uzo-experience engakanani? Asisebenze, yabo? Asenze manje ngokunjani? Ngoku-understand ukuthi, yabo, from besiqhathanisa R and S, i-distance between them beyinjani? Beyu 0.2. Shuthi i-force yethu izoba, okay, from la to la ubani u-0.2 plus 0.1 0.3 shuthi ngoba distance inkulu between them inkulu le electrostatic force izoba njani izoba ncane angithi shuthi i-direct izoba ngakanani izoba mfishane then electrostatic force between ubani R and P kanje. Okay, kube kanje. Iyona into kade beyifuna le for only 2 marks. Base bethi la 8.3 calculate i-magnitude of charge R, yabo? Bathe u-charge R upositive kodwa ngithi asiyazile sazi upositive kodwa i-magnitude yakhona siyazi. Sebethi sicalculate i-magnitude yakhona. If it experiences yena u-charge R may experience i-net electrostatic force, yabo i-keyword le ngelinye ilanga bayothi net electric field uyigade lapha ukuze ukwazi ukusebenzisa i-formula e-right, yabo la bathi may experience i-net electrostatic force eyile angithi ele number to the left, yabo to the left. Okay, siyakuzwa lokho. Shuthi masu add electrostatic force yakhe experience yayo iba to the left. Base bethi take forces directed to the right as positive. Wenza njani shuthi ama force lawa angakwa right aba positive. Khohlwa ke le diagram la. Okay, noma okay sengithi ungakhohlwa yiyo. Uzosebenzisa wona le diagram la because kuseyile kusafana kule scenario le. Kuseyile scenario sekhona zonke lezi zinto. Then usuyobheka ke kuthiwa iya kwabani iya kwa left angithi ilokhu njani yethu electrostatic force i-net electrostatic force to net ukuze experience electrostatic force R angithi beyi-due to u-S khona ayithole due to S enye ayithola due to P ayithole due to P beyiya kwa right because ama-unlike charges uyithatha lana ke diagram uyithatha njengama vector lento since ku-straight line kanje iyafana njengama vector lama lokhu njani ama forces lawo then usuzowa add ukuthola i-net wenza njani ngithi kuthiwa aya kwa right siwenza as positive futhi lo ngoba uya kwa right uzoba positive lo uba negative futhi ithini i-net F net yabo electrostatic force is equal to nayi ilo electrostatic force i-formula yakhona futhi kuzoba i-electrostatic force le plus le kodwa le izoba ine-negative sign ngoba kuyi-net nje kumele uwa-add lezi zinto lezi khiphe into eyodwa futhi kuzoba ile ngapha u-F electrostatic force ay-exerta due to P plus i-positive le plus lena enye u-minus angithi because still ngama-vector. Kanje yabo so uzobala bani wena u-charge R ngoku-understanda nje le net uzo-representa as i-formula then usuya substitute ukuthi iwubani i-net bathe iwubani i-1.27 to the left bathe kuya kwa right sithathe as positive obviously ke lokunye ngoba kuya kwa left kuzoba i-opposite sign lesinikezwe yona kuthiwa u-positive u-right then u-negative futhi le ngoba uya kwa left i-net izoba 1.27 times 10 power negative 6 usuza la usuzokwenza njani usuzothi la ngithi uyalokhu nje usufaka iformula la yakhona electrostatic force between R and P as usual kanje futhi K Q1 Q2 over R squared yabo uzowenza njani ke wena futhi uzoba u-charge bani u-charge R and charge bani and charge P khona kuzoba accurate kanje la multiply by negative kuzoba u-negative la bese kuyabuya iformula kuzoba between u-charge bani R and charge S R and S kube nani ne distance between them squared yabo. Ubani-ke lo mfunayo wena? Umfunayo yimuphi u-charge bani? Charge R, charge R, charge R, i-magnitude yakhe. Ufuna lo charge R lo, ufuna lo charge R. Si-substitute-ke. Bengisakutshengisa ukuthi la sizoyi-calculate kanje, si-calculate kanje. Okay, ubani? U9 times 10 to the power 9, i-constant le. Bese sithi times u-charge R. Charge R ubani? Yilona esimdingayo. Charge R times u-charge P. Okay, masulana-ke awafaka ama-sign ama-charges la kule formula le. Uwafaka kuphela mangabe ucalculate ama-number of electrons, ama-charge noma i-new charge, yabo. Ama-sign e-elo alama-charge uwafaka only kwi-formula lethi, le formula le ucalculate i-new charge, yabo. Ifaka lapho lana ngoba kusekanje sathi magnitude yakhona kuphela. U-charge P ubani? 1.5 times 10 to the power -9, yabo. Sidivide ngobani? Q and P. Siyobheka ubani? R and P. Sengithi Q and P. U-charge R la, then u-R and P. R and P. Ithini ilo i-distance between R and P? U-0.2 plus 0.1. Phuma bani? Shuthi u-0.3. Ufake u-squared. Size kule part engapha. Minus. Size la. Okay. U-9 times 10 to the power 9. U-charge R ilona esimdingayo. Shuthi charge R times ubani? U-charge S. Ubani? Ngithi thatha i-magnitude kuphela. I-size yakhona. Hayi i-sign. Times 10 to the power -9. Divide by, sithatha i-magnitude engena sign, yabo. Then mase sibheka i-distance between ubani? R and S. R and S u-0.2. Emva kwala uyabona ukuthi usune-unknown eyodwa okuwubani? Okuwu-charge R. Kodwa usuzohlakanipha-ke ubone ngokuthini? Ubone njengokuthi phela i-unknown la u-charge R nala u-charge R. Shuthi uma uthanda ungayikhipha i-common factor noma wenze njani. Ubone ukuthi ekugcineni kosuku lento le izomultiply nale, i-divide nale at the same time. Yabo. Into engisho yile ukuthi lokhu kuzokhipha inamba eyodwa, yakubona? Kuzokhipha inamba eyodwa lokhu. Njengalokhu futhi. Kuzokhipha inamba eyodwa, yakubona? Lokhu kufana nokuthi inamba eyodwa. Kuzodivide na konke lokhu, multiply kodwa lona uzomultiply nje eceleni. Ngithatha ngizombeka ngapha. Shuthi kuzoba inamba mhlawumbe u7 bese kuba uQR. Bese kuba mhlawumbe la mhlawumbe u8 kuba uQR eceleni. Shuthi bungaphanjwa lento le as like inamba le, uthi le number le minus le number le. Kuyafana nokuthi ama-like 10 because ano-QR omabili eceleni. Yiko sesizokwenza kanje. Just ukuthi izinto zibe lula. Is equal to, then sesiyayenza ngale ndlela. Sesithi 9 times 10 to the power 9, then times 1.5. Lo multiply nalo ngapha. Times 10 to the power -9 over 0.3 squared. Size ngapha minus ama-like 10 phela kufana nokuthi lo u-x, yabo. Nangapha vele kunalo bayafana. Kuseyi-charge eyodwa ngeke ihluke mase experience lo ngapha i-charge eyodwa. Then sibuye ngapha eceleni sesithi minus le number le. -9 multiply by 2 times 10 to the power -9 over 0.2 squared. Then usuthola i-answer yakho. Khona i-mistake yenzekile la. u-0.3 u-9 times 10 to the power 9 not 2 yabo times 1.5 ya kukanje. Then usuthola bani u-negative 300 yabo, kodwa u-negative 300 bani r phela bekuba add amathema ane-value efanayo ukubani okuwu-QR shuthi ubani QR. Then u-charge R wakho sizowubani angithi yabo amabili ane-negative shuthi vele uma ungabe utholopho o-negative wena ubuzobona ukuthi wrong ngobani bakutshelile ukuthi u-positive, i-charge yethu izoba positive because ama-sign lawa ayafana yabo. Uzoma divide ngayo ngapha nangapha shuthi sizothini-ke just ukuthi uthole u-QR divide by 300 divide by 300 or divide by negative 300 nangapha shuthi i-charge ithini 1,27 times 10 to the power negative 6 divided by 300 yabo. Then ibe kanje, then usuyimisa ngale ndlela lena-ke ithi 4.23 yabona ukuthi ayi-deviate nala isekumabani isekumanano sekumanano nala amanye kade kumanano angithi nano 10 to the power negative 9 yabo. Kusho ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi i-answer yakho i-right since i-positive then iyona final answer yethu le. I-method bekuwukuthini bekuwukuthi sinikezwe ini i-net electrostatic force sisebenzisani ukuze sithole i-net electrostatic force ilokhu njane i-free body diagram. Lawa ama-force a-acta ku-R, u-R experience due to each charge la ukuze uthole i-net since i-vector ama-vector lawo ama-vector ukuze uthole i-total noma i-net uyawa-add ukhumbule ama-sign yiko la 10 F-net yilo i-net electrostatic force abasinike yona ku-R. Le free body diagram eka-R uyabo yiko sisebenzise lokhu nalokhu sasithi le ngoba iya kwa-right i-positive bashilo nakho sayenza plus lena enye i-negative sign. Emva kwalapho la senza njani sayibala electrostatic force between R and P as usual naku R and S, then substitute realize ukuthi u-QR no-QR sevela kaningi la is either ukebe common factor or mtreat nje ukuthi ama-like terms uyawa-add lawo yabo. Then ungakhohlwa ukubuyisa u-QR mase u-add lezi number lezi nalezi or uyi-subtract sorry yeah, then udivide ngo-minus 300 because awumdingi udinga u-QR, then insakho izogcina ikanje. Iyavuma futhi because basitshela ukuthi u-positive u-charge bani charge R and nathi answer yethu yenze njeni ilokhu njile igcina seyiba ubani u-positive kanje.